Hello there, just like to welcome you back to the channel. If you've been watching it for the very first time, just like to thank you for watching, coming to this channel. And also for those that's been watching the channel, just like to thank you for subscribing, and please keep watching the channel. Today we're going to make some pasties, and the ingredients that we have today is 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 115 grams of butter, I believe that's unsalted butter, and 115 grams of lard. So we're going to add all our ingredients together. We're going to mix it in with the flour. That's all our dry ingredients. We mix that in. And next we're going to add the lard in it, because we are making puff pastry today. So we're just going to add the lard. Then we're going to add the unsalted butter. And what's happening now, we're just rubbing the flour and the butter and all the ingredients together like a crumble, so we can form the pastry. So you can see that the paste, the mix, the pastry mix have now come like you're doing a crumble. Now we're adding the water to the mix, the pastry mix, and remember that we're making a puff pastry today. So you can see the pastry coming together now, and it should look like, when your pastry is made, it should look like this. Come together. So once you've done your pastry, what you do, you cover it up, put some cling film on it, but we're covering it up, and we're going to put it in the fridge up to 15 minutes and over. These are the ingredients that we're going to need for the patty, the filling. There's 2 carrots, 1 onion, and 2 scallions, and half a scotch bonnet. And what we're going to do, we're going to dice this up and put it in to the mixture of the patty. So what I'm doing now, I'm just sweating off the scallion, the onions, the ginger and the carrots, and once that's sweat off, I'm going to blend them. And you do that for about 5 minutes once they sweat off. So what we're doing, we're just mixing the mince with all the vegetables together, just to make the patties. And we just keep mixing in the mince until it's sealed, and then we're going to let it cook. Okay, the filling for the patty has been cooking for 15 minutes now, and this is what it should look like when you've cooked out all the ingredients in the saucepan, and that's what it should look like. And it was cooked on medium to low fire. Okay, now we've reached the stage where we're rolling out the pastry to make the patties, and as you can see that the filling for the patty is ready. Today we're going to put more than one filling in the pastry. What we can say is that, you know, if you don't want to make the pastry, you can always buy the pastry already made, puff pastry, but it's a puff pastry mix. So what we're doing now, we're Just going to cut out one of the patties, pastry to fill it with the filling. And you notice that the filling is quite, it's been thinned out. What you do once you cook the filling, you blend it. You blend it in the blender so it's very fine. Notice that they haven't overfilled the patty. We've just put enough filling inside it. I'm just going to use a fork to decorate that. There you have it. That's your first patty. And then of course, they always glaze the top of the pastry. So what we're doing now, we're going to, because we're making different fillings, so this one is a vegan. This one is a veggie ground one. And of course you can use any pastry that you require, any flour. You can use millet flour. Right, so we're just gonna this one is a vegetarian patty. Okay, this is we're putting cheese on one of the patties. So that's how you apply the cheese. You just lay it on top of the filling, and it's the same as the rest. So we have 3 fillings all together in the patties. So this is what your patties look like when they are ready, and you put them in the oven to 150 centigrade, and you cook them from 35 minutes to 40 minutes. These are what they look like when they come out. These let them cool for about 30 minutes before you do anything with them. Now please can you also subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.